What's going on, everyone? 66Samus here, and I am so excited to be here at Drumeo filming a full 30-day course on double bass drumming. If you've never played double bass before, the first big challenge is getting your left foot working just as much and as strong as your right foot. So we're going to start things off with a warm-up, playing 4 notes on the right foot, 4 notes on the left foot, and we'll play the hi-hat along with it. So grab your sticks and try this along with me. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Line up that right hand with both feet. Try not to flam. And yes, I do have very expensive pedals that I'm using here, but you don't need these. You can use any pedals you want. Any pedal will get the job done. You might not even have a double pedal, and maybe you're using an electronic kit and using hi-hat pedal for the left foot. That's fine too. Nice and simple to start with. No blast beats yet. Okay, let's change to alternating feet. So we'll do right, left, okay? Get that blood flowing. Hopefully this is starting to feel comfortable for you. How those legs feeling, eh? This might seem very simple, but it's a great place to start when you're working on your double kick skills. What do you say we add that snare drum? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. Nobody panic. It's a simple snare drum. This is the first big challenge of this video. Hang in there. We're going to take a break in just a bit. Ready? Stop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Not bad. All right, for the second half of the video, we're gonna bump up the tempo just a little bit, and our hands don't always have to match our feet when playing double bass. As we get faster, we often simplify the lead hand part to let the double bass really shine through. So that'll be the last big challenge of this video, but before we get there, let's jump back into what we were just doing, but a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice and easy right hand strokes. Not too heavy. Just don't want to do that. Nice and easy. Keep that solid time. You can use the heel up technique. You can use the heel down technique. socks, shoes, beard, no beard, whatever you want. So now let's switch to playing the hi-hat only half as often. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. This is a little tougher. Try to stay with me. Gotta do this sometimes, because as we get faster, as we said, the right hand will play less notes. Let that double bass shine. And for this one, the right hand is always with the right foot. All right, let's change from the hi-hat to the 4-tom. 1, 2, 3, 4. All we did is move the right hand, same pattern, but now it sounds a lot more brutal. Very easy way to give your groove a totally different sound just by moving your hand. Hang in there, almost done. All right, almost done. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very nice. Now, these are just some of the many tools that we're going to provide you in the 30-day double bass course that I just filmed with Drumeo. We're going to be breaking down the basics of everything you see drummers doing when they're playing double bass, and it's going to help you take your drumming to the next level. And the best part is we're going to be practicing double bass together. I will be here every single day, so come join us and let me be your drum teacher for a whole month. The link is down in the description, and I hope to see you inside the course on Drumeo. Every drummer wants to play one thing. Double bass. Not this kind of double bass. This kind of double bass. Oh, yeah. In 30-day double bass, you'll go from a total beginner to playing along with hundreds of famous rock and metal songs in 30 days. You'll build the muscles and coordination you need to play double bass by practicing a little bit every day with me. A new lesson unlocks every day, and all you have to do is load it up and play along for 10 minutes. We'll have a live Q&A where you can ask your questions, like heel up, heel down, and how high should I sit? Or why is there blood when I pee? We'll start slow and gradually increase the tempo each day, focusing on developing an even sound between your right and left foot. You'll also learn key techniques and pedal settings to find what works best for you. By the end of the course, you'll have the skills to play popular double bass grooves with speed and control. And if you can't, you'll get your money back. 30-day double bass starts this September and enrollment is open now. This is your chance to learn all the techniques and exercises you need to start playing double bass. Click the link to save your seat in 30-day double bass, and I'll see you inside the course.